Uniswap price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we take a close look at the crypto market, we get the sense that it is not doing badly at all, but rather, it is doing very well. In addition, as the year 2022 is just starting, it is the perfect moment to make some predictions. Any altcoin must be evaluated in the context of the overall market climate and Bitcoin performance. First, let us look at what this is all about before we go into the price predictions. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Uniswap a good investment? How much will Uniswap be worth in 2025, or how much will Uniswap be worth in 10 years? Uniswap currently stands at $5.87 with a market capitalization of $4,474,213,153, making it rank 17 in the most valuable coins list. Uniswap has a 24-hour volume of $101,486,753. The price value of Uniswap has changed minus 0.56% in the previous 24 hours. In last 7 days, the price of Uniswap has a change of 5.46%. It is limited to a maximum supply of 762,209,327 coins. Uniswap price prediction 2022. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, it is not easy to forecast and keep up with the current pricing. Many crypto analysts come into play in this regard. The pricing forecasts are correct for the mentioned years. Crypto consumers are still concerned about the crypto bans and new restrictions. Uniswap price may cross $7.75 if the market sees a good bull run in 2022. Given that it is expected to be held by long-term investors, its average price for 2022 will be around $7.35. Uniswap price prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, Uniswap prices will have reached a level similar to their previous all-time high. By 2023, we may expect an average price of $10.47. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted the maximum price of Uniswap could be up to $12.53 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will dump after a long bull run, and it is normal for cryptocurrency market. Uniswap price prediction 2024. A seamless approach to this currency may be found on many websites and forums. In the opinion of this prediction platform, Uniswap will steady at its current price for a very long time to come. By 2024, the Uniswap is expected to be worth a maximum value of $17.53. The minimum price can go up to $14.54 if the market gets bullish. Uniswap price prediction 2025. For long-term Uniswap price predictions, basic analysis is essential. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers a few. The digital economy's autonomy makes it ideal. As dApps and stablecoins develop, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of Uniswap will rise to about $22.11 by 2025 if more investors are attracted to the idea. For 2025, the year can end with a maximum price of $25.07 with a minimum price level of $21.35. Uniswap price prediction 2026. In 2026, with more adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, the price of Uniswap would skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $37.13 in 2026. The price ranges are going to be very trendy if we keep it that way. If everything goes well, we can expect an average price of $33.72 with a maximum price of $37.13 for 2026. Uniswap price prediction 2027. Uniswap present price range might interest many traders, and because of this, Uniswap can reach $55.78 by 2027 with substantial cooperation with financial institutions if the following requirements are satisfied. With an average price of $46.67 for 2027, it can beat the latest price trend to reach new highs. The price tagline can vary as the crypto market can see another bullish trend on its way to 2027. Uniswap price prediction 2028. Uniswap will be seen as a better option, and with the huge community, Uniswap price will touch new highs. The price fluctuations are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the price of Uniswap will be almost $63.52. The maximum price that we can get is $78.80. Uniswap average price forecast at the end of 2028 can be around $65.85. A huge price turnover is expected within the range defined by the crypto market. Uniswap price prediction 2029. The Uniswap value will increase because of the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the calculated price for the year 2029 is bullish. Uniswap was anticipated to touch a maximum price level of $111.37 by the end of 2029, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is highly optimistic that the Uniswap's future will ultimately grow. Therefore, the predicted average price of UNI will be around $97.81 to $100.44 is expected in 2029 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the Uniswap's maximum price ranges from $97.81 to $111.37 for 2029. Uniswap price prediction 2030. There are signs that the crypto market is about to enter a new age. Certain that the long-term price prediction for Uniswap's price will soar since there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2030 can end with an average price of $141.75 and a minimum price value of $136.73. The maximum price is expected to be trading around $168.49. Uniswap price prediction 2031. Uniswap have huge potential, with certain collaborations and innovations may increase the number of users and add potion. If the market concentrates on investing in Uniswap, the price might rise much higher. By 2031, it can reach a maximum value of $238.44. It is expected that the Uniswap will turn around a little bit if the market goes down. The year 2031 can end with an average price of $205.95 with a minimum price of $198.86 and the maximum price of $238.44.